Welcome my dear students of class 9. This is the math class of day number 7. In this class I am going to discuss your new chapter number 2 polynomial. You know polynomial. देखो polynomial also one type of algebraic expression. And polynomial, poly means many. Nomial means term. So polynomial means many term. Many means how much or how many. In mathematics, two or more than two terms consider as many. Two or more than two terms consider as many. Okay. So first of all, we discuss about polynomial and we confirm that poly means many and nomial means term. An algebraic expression containing two or more than two terms is known as polynomial. Okay. Then come to types of polynomial. Okay. First of here, types of polynomial. So according to term, polynomial are of different types. According to term, polynomial are of different types. First one here, monomial. Second here, binomial. Third one here, trinomial. Fourth one here, quadrinomial, and so on. According to term, polynomial are of different types. First one monomial, then binomial, then trinomial, then quadrinomial, and so on. But according to the degree of the variable, according to the degree of the variable, polynomial are also different types. This one, linear polynomial. Second one, quadratic polynomial. Third one, cubic polynomial. Fourth one, biquadratic polynomial. Okay, mark here. So according to term, first we discuss about the polynomial types of polynomial depending upon the terms. Okay, mark here polynomial. Polynomial, you know, so poly means many and nomial means term. Polynomial means many term. Two से ज़्यादा term. Algebraic expression containing two or more than two terms consider as polynomial. Mark here in this case. First, monomial. You try to remember only one definition and need to follow that to memorize other definitions. Monomial. Mono means one and nomial means term. Mono means one and nomial means term. So, an algebraic expression containing only one term. So, an algebraic expression containing only one term is known as monomial. Confirm this? Mono means one and nomial means term. So, an algebraic expression containing only one term is known as monomial. जैसे example, suppose 2x, 5y, 7, etc. Only one term is known as monomial. Okay, confirm this. Then come to second point. Second here, binomial. Same process. Bi means 2 and nomial means term. So an algebraic expression containing 2 terms is known as binomial. Listen on it. Bi means 2 and nomial means term. So an algebraic expression containing 2 terms is known as binomial. Example, so x plus 2, 5x plus 9, etc. Algebraic expression containing 2 terms is known as binomial. Then come to trinomial. Tri means 3 and nomial means term. Tri means 3 and nomial means term. So an algebraic expression containing 3 terms. So an algebraic expression containing 3 terms is known as trinomial. Is known as trinomial. Okay. Then trinomial का example जैसे 2x square plus 5x plus 7. This one trinomial. Next here quadrinomial. Quadri means 4 and nomial means term. So an algebraic expression containing 4 terms is known as biquadratic or quadratic. Okay, this one to trinomial, quadrinomial. Okay, quadrinomial example 2x cube plus 4x square plus 6x minus 9. This one quadrinomial. And so on, 5 term, 6 term. Okay, but in general 2 से ज़्यादा term हो जाएगा तो you just simply write that's one polynomial. Okay, next. Then come to types of polynomial depending upon the degree of the variable. Depending upon the degree of the variable, polynomial are of different types. Depending upon the degree of the variable, polynomial are of different types. Such as first one देखो linear polynomial. First one here linear polynomial. The algebraic expression in which the maximum power of the variable. देखो in this case you get here number of terms, but in this case maximum power of the variable. The algebraic expression in which the maximum power of the variable is 1 is known as linear polynomial. Okay, so linear polynomial standard form here ax plus b where a not equal to 0. Okay, you must write out this. The standard form of linear polynomial. Also definition, the polynomial in which the maximum power of the variable. देखो इधर a b here constant, variable here x. The polynomial in which the maximum power of the variable is 1, that's known as linear polynomial. And its standard form here ax plus b where a not equal to 0. And if देखो linear also related to 1. Maximum power of the variable 1. If we factorize linear polynomial, we get only one number of factor. If we factorize linear polynomial, we get only one number of factor. Okay. Next here, it has only one number of 0. In next class, you just learn about the 0 of the polynomial. I just discuss here the 0 of the polynomial. The value of the variable for which the simplification value of the polynomial is equal with 0 is known as zero of the polynomial. Just example here. Suppose x plus 3 is a polynomial, linear polynomial. If you put x as minus 3, if you use x as minus 3, x as minus 3, so this became 0, minus 3 plus 3 0. So here minus 3 is one of the 0 of the polynomial. You just learn in next class, coming class. Okay. So here linear polynomial, the polynomial in which the maximum power of the variable is 1 is known as linear polynomial. If we factorize linear polynomial, we get only one number of factors. Linear polynomial has only one number of factors. If we find the zeros of the polynomial, we get only one zero. देखो इधर x equal to minus 3 होगा तो then minus 3 plus 3 equal to 0. As it is a linear polynomial, as it is a linear polynomial, so only one zero. Second zero impossible. Okay. Next, linear polynomial के बाद then come to quadratic polynomial. Come to here quadratic polynomial. Okay. Quadratic polynomial. The polynomial in which the maximum power of the variable is 2. The polynomial in which the maximum power of the variable is 2 is known as quadratic polynomial. Okay, और एक बार quadratic polynomial, the polynomial in which the maximum power of the variable is 2. Variable का maximum power 2 is known as quadratic polynomial. The standard form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c, where a not equal to 0. bc may be or may not be 0. And if we factorize this, if we factorize quadratic polynomial, okay, we get two number of factors. And if we find the zeros of the polynomial, we get two number of zeros. और एक बार quadratic polynomial, maximum power of the variable 2, number of factor also 2, number of zero also 2. Then come to cubic polynomial. The polynomial in which cubic polynomial, the polynomial in which the maximum power of the variable is 3 is known as cubic polynomial. Okay, the polynomial in which the maximum power of the variable is 3 is known as cubic polynomial. And the standard form of cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a not equal to 0. Where a not equal to 0. And cubic polynomial में maximum power of the variable 3, number of factor also 3, number of zero also 3. Then come to biquadratic polynomial. Same process. The polynomial in which the maximum power of the variable, the polynomial in which the maximum power of the variable is 4 is known as biquadratic polynomial, and its standard form is ax to the power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus c, where a not equal to 0. The standard form of biquadratic polynomial is ax to the power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus c, equal where a not equal to 0. If a became 0, this reduced to cubic. Here if a became 0, this reduced to quadratic. If a reduced here 0, this reduced to linear. And if a reduced to 0, this became a constant. Okay, so here a never be 0, b, c, d, e may or may not be 0. Someone question you. So x to the power 4 plus 9 is a biquadratic, right? X. Yes, why? The maximum power of the variable here 4. Okay, so then, so it's the type. देखो, other than biquadratic polynomial, can also be known as quadratic. Okay, you just learn about this in your higher class. Okay, because biquadratic polynomial can be changed into quadratic polynomial and then we able to solve it. Okay, that's why biquadratic polynomial also known as the quadratic polynomial. And all the उसके बाद after this you know zero polynomial. Zero itself known as zero polynomial. Only zero itself known as zero polynomial. उसके बाद you just come to constant polynomial. All the constant terms जैसे 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 etc. All the constant terms are considered as constant polynomial and its degree equal to 0. Suppose देखो 2 is a constant term and polynomial के लिए तो we need to write a variable as well as a constant. Here 2 can be written as 2 equal to 2 into x to the power 0. So the degree of all constant polynomial is 0 because 2 is a constant polynomial and this can be written as 2x to the power 0. And you consider the maximum power of the variable is known as the degree of that polynomial. So here x to the power 0 means 1. So 2 into 1 is here 1. And you know that or a term important here. Polynomial consists of finite number of terms. Someone question you. So x plus x square plus x cube plus dot dot is a polynomial. You write no. You say no. Why? A polynomial consists of only finite number of terms. But this expression here dot dot means it contains infinite number of terms. A polynomial never contains infinite number of terms. Okay? You need to practice about and I will discuss the next class. Okay? Thank you.